Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to crown braid your hair with and without extension. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification for more videos. Thank you. Depending on the style you want to do, you can part your hair at the back or at the side or in the front. So for me, I'm going to be parting my hair at the back and start weaving around just like a crown. The first thing you want to do is to divide your hair into 3 and gradually take some hair as you weave around. You can either make your crown braid tight or loose, it depends on your choice. As you can see, mine is not that tight. For the extension, I'm going to be using Ultra Braid Expression 52 inches. The first thing you want to do is to divide the extension into 3 and align it with your hair. Don't forget to gradually grab your hair as you weave round. So after braiding, I use the pin to secure it. And this is the final result. You can get your handmade crystal glass bead earrings from yemzibeauty.com. I'm gonna put the website on the description box. Don't forget, always be thankful.